Today, a student within our community brought Plug to my attention, and I wanted to share this with you. Number one, because I think it's a really good setup that could have a potential 80 to 100% upside in 2026. But more importantly, I wanted to share this with you so that you can use this framework to find when a stock is actually shifting from a bear market into a bull market. And this is a perfect example of our strategy showing that exactly. Now, I want you to understand that just because an A+ setup is in the market does not mean that we have to be right. Historically, I only have about a 55 to 60% win rate. That is all you need to make money consistently in the market if your risk versus reward is very high. Now, the student brought it to our attention because it is meeting all of our criteria. First and foremost, the monthly BX trender, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen, is currently green. Now, the major part of our trading strategy is to only trade with the macro buying pressure. What we do not want to do is buy into a stock that has a dark red BX trender. And the reason for this is when sellers are in control, any type of bounce that occurs in the market is normally going to be a trap and is normally going to sell off even further and more aggressively. So instead, what we really want to see is macro buying pressure on this indicator. Now, you've probably seen me in the past use the monthly BX trender, which is what you're going to see here. Very simply, this is what we want to trade. This is not what we want to trade. But what we're doing here is actually overlaying or showing what this monthly BX trender is doing on a weekly time frame. Now, this is very important because what we're going to move on to now is the second part of the strategy, and that is going to be structure. Structure is very simply just the price behavior of institutions over a period of a bull or a bear market. This is from our textbooks within our courses, but basically market structure is the foundation for all trading. Institutions don't chase, they buy at discounts and they sell at premium. Bullish structure, which is what we want to trade, is shown by a series of higher highs followed by higher lows. Basically, anytime price pulls back into a higher low is when we want to take the position and then reduce exposure as the stock is breaking out. Bearish market structure, which is exactly what Plug has been doing for the past couple of years, is not what we want to be trading. Because as we said before, anytime price bounces, it's normally going to lead into a further cascading sell-off. Now, with that said, structure is not going to last forever. Eventually, structure is going to change. And there's a couple of ways within our strategy that we can normally time or predict when that structure change is going to occur. Now, the first thing is going to be the BX trender. So when price is diverging, price is selling off, but the monthly is showing buying pressure, this is normally an indication that buyers are stepping in and a potential bottom could form. But what we really want to focus on is what's called a change of character. Now, a change of character happens when price breaks above a previous lower high. And this signal is an indication that the bearish structure or momentum is being faded and that instead bulls are taking control. So price will sell off, bounce, sell off, bounce, and then the change of character occurs when we take that previous high out. So you'll see in the case of Plug, when price broke over this resistance, this here was the first sign of a potential change of character. And now, if the bulls are going to take over, once again, big if, we can totally be wrong here, they're probably going to step in here and then price is going to break out. Where we are currently is going to be considered the new higher low. So that is the first sign that this is probably the bottom for Plug. But there are other signs within our system and our indicators telling us that there is a bottom in play. Now, real quick, if you want to get access to our entire trading system and all of our indicators completely for free, the link to our trading library is down in the description. Step 1 will show you how to set up the BX trender. Step 3 under Smart Money Zone will show you market structure. And then the market bias and the volume profile, which is what we're going to talk about next, will come after that. It really is free. There's no credit card, no bullshit. We're not going to message you 1,000 times trying to get you to sign up for something. It really does not hurt us for you to actually use our indicators and learn this strategy. Now back to the video. Now remember, this pullback into higher low is where we want to go long. And there's two parts of the system or indicators that is showing us that this could be the potential bottom. The first one is this volume profile on the right side of your screen. What this volume profile shows is how many shares have been traded in the past 150 weeks. This is important because what other volume indicators are going to do is show you how many shares were traded that day. I personally don't care about that at all. I want to know where the biggest action has been in the past couple of years, because this is going to be major supports and resistances. If we go to the textbook that we have for the THD volume profile, you're going to see that the thick nodes here act as major supports and major resistances. And the point of control, which is this red line, is the largest area of support, hence where we are right now. There is an $8 billion share node. 8 billion shares that have been traded at this support. So this is saying there's a very high chance of a bounce. And when you have very thin volume on the volume profile, these tend to act as fast lanes for breakouts. So normally when there's a strong resistance level, in this case, Tesla back here in 2024, price breaks right through that resistance and fills the volume gap very quickly. Now, the other indicator that is showing this is a potential bottom is the market bias. That is this tape-like indicator here, which is going to basically show you and draw the market structure for you. When price is trading under this band, we are bearish. When price is trading above this band, we are bullish. So you can see just with this indicator alone here, the structures start to shift. And this is also correlating a big buy zone down here between $2 to $2.34. So with all that said, I'm very bullish on Plug. I'm not holding it as of right now within my fund, but I'm going to open a position as of tomorrow morning. I think there's a really good chance that price is going to break out up to about $5.50 to $6 by the end of this year. And I'm definitely going to be a buyer. Another setup just like this is NEO, which we are tracking. And one of the better trades that we've had as of recent is Rivian. Rivian did basically the same thing. Diverged for multiple months, broke structure by taking these previous highs out. Now I'm expecting Rivian to pull back to maybe $20 to $16 before bouncing and rallying as well into 2026. So I hope this video helped. The link to all of our courses and indicators are free down in the description. And if you want to actually implement this system with me and my team, get access to other private indicators, all of the holdings within my fund, and live stream with me each and every single week, the link to our private Discord community will be at the bottom of that page. But of course, you guys do not need that in order to trade this system. Everything is free above it. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you next time.